Hey guys, Leon here from Lowyat TV. The Xiaomi Mi 9's global launch was held a couple days ago back in China. It also made its appearance at MWC this year. Xiaomi's flagship is packed with tons of exciting features and is shaping up to be one of the most powerful flagship smartphones this year without breaking the bank. The Mi 9 features a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus Samsung Super AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection and an in-display fingerprint reader. The phone includes the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset, up to 8GB of RAM and up to 128GB of internal storage. It has a 3300 mAh battery and a support for 20W wireless charging and 27W wired fast charging. The new wireless charging system is capable of charging the phone to 100% in 19 minutes. Now that is faster than some phones plugged in. The Mi 9's rear houses a triple camera setup. It has a 48-megapixel main shooter, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which is also a macro lens, and a 12-megapixel 2x telephoto one. In fact, the Mi 9 is Xiaomi's first smartphone to don the triple camera setup. On the front side though, they have shrunken the notch to a teardrop-sized one, and it houses a 20-megapixel selfie camera. There's also another variant known as the Mi 9 Transparent Edition that will be released alongside the Mi 9. The special edition will have a transparent back, much like the Mi 8 Explorer Edition, except with the movie branding for Alita Battle Angel. The Transparent Edition doubles the RAM and internal storage of the device to a total of 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Now, 12GB of RAM is pretty much overkill, but the transparent back does look pretty dang cool. So the Xiaomi Mi 9 will come in 3 colors: lavender violet, ocean blue, and piano black. The regular Mi 9 will be priced at around 1,800 ringgit, while this transparent edition will be priced around 2,400 ringgit. Now, the company has yet to confirm when they will be releasing this to our shores, so all we can do is wait. Let us know what you guys think of the Mi 9 down in the comment section below, and as always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.